Hello viewers, today I would like to show you one small trick to use Microsoft Excel a little bit easier way. So maybe it will not be useful for all of you, but maybe for some of you who are doing with lots of rows, it could be useful for you. For example, say this is one sheet and there are several items, and if you can see this one, I have maybe more than 1000 rows and I'm already working with several data. So maybe I need I need few inputs from my previous column, say my previous area, say item 4.3.1 to and one of the later rows, say maybe this item. But what I will have to do, every time I will have to go in the upper portion and take data in the lower side, and maybe it would be a bit difficult to navigate and also do the work. So one small tool can help to make this navigation a little bit easier. That is in the view part. If you see the split in this tool, let's see what happens here. When I am clicking on the split tool, you see the screens are being split in four several parts. You can resize these shapes, and what you can do if you check now. Now I'm in say in this part 1150, and I need one data from upper portion, say from here. Okay, and maybe say I want this data to be uh, I want this data to be used in here. So I can easily take the data from say 546 or 5 this row to this portion. Say I want this one into 22. I want 551 into, so I don't have to go every time in the upper portion and come back to the lower portion, and every time I know to do that. And thank you all for seeing my video.